Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are all loaded up in the mega van and we are headed to the park.
Woo!
Yes. Woo! Fall weather has officially hit the Midwest. The temperatures are much cooler. I think, what is it, babe, the temperature? 65 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just needed to get out of the house, get some fresh air, and just do something fun. Thanks, Mariah. We are headed to our local metro park. It's about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes away from our house. The park we're going to is not local.
It's not ours. Not local to us.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, like, it's not in our town. So yeah, I guess it's not exactly a local park. Justin's right. It is in the town next to ours, but it's a park that I grew up going to. It is one of my favorites, so I'm willing to drive the extra few minutes, even in the Friday traffic, to head over there and go to it. So on the nature trail, it was so shaded that we were all freezing. That's the thing with Midwest weather. This time of year, you are sweating and hot in the sun or freezing in the shade. There is not much in between. So we're gonna take a little walk on the path that's in the sunshine and warm up for a little bit. So normally, if it's just me and the big kids at the park, we are able to sit for a good half hour or so and work on our nature journals. When we have the entire family in tow, that doesn't work out so well. So the kids are just collecting a couple of items and work on their nature journals back at the house where it's a little bit warmer and they can, take their time without toddlers or babies throwing a fit. So we're back home and I am definitely going to take advantage of one of those Trader Joe's quick meals that I bought last week. We are going to have grilled cheese and lunch meat sandwiches alongside of that pumpkin bisque soup. Everybody is freezing. By the time we left the park, the wind was just really picking up and blowing, and we had to turn the heat on in the van on the way home. First time we've cracked that bad boy on this year. So while I make dinner, the big kids are going to work on their nature journals. The little kids are already at the table chowing down on some shredded cheese and peanut butter crackers and just all kinds of snacky things. I have a feeling they're probably not going to eat a lot of soup and sandwiches. They're going to fill up on snacks, and I'm okay with that. Okay, so the kids have finished up their nature journals. I have dinner plated, and at the table, Justin and I are actually going to add some pesto to our grilled cheese and meat sandwiches tonight, just to fancy it up a little bit. So far, there are mixed reactions on the soup. Some people like it, some people don't. So we'll see. Jury's still out on that. So I think that's where we're going to wrap up tonight's vlog. As per usual, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. Take a second, give this video a thumbs up, and like it below. And we will see you guys next time.
Delicious.